I know you're expecting me to come out here, stand on the stage, and tell you you're going to see something that the world's never seen before. But the truth is, I'm going to show you something that the Jeep brand offered from 1947 practically continuously until 1992. Whether you called it a forward control or a Gladiator, a Scrambler or a Comanche, what you had was a Jeep truck. And we think it's time for Jeep to have a truck again. And luckily, thanks to the success of Ram, we know what it takes to compete in these fiercely loyal, highly competitive truck segments.
Let's face it, nobody knows how to introduce a new vehicle like Jeep.
Sense of how much pent-up demand there is for this?
Well, if you look at the segment, I'll use the segment as a surrogate. The segment's doubled in 4 years, and really the growth has been in the last 2 years.
Right.
So there's a lot of people going towards that segment. So I think there's good potential.
But this one in particular, it's not just the segment. I mean, there are people who've been waiting for particularly a Jeep.
Oh, there's a lot of people that have been waiting for this. I mean, they've been asking. I wasn't kidding when I said Mike unveiled this car last year, and it was within moments of people were like, okay, is it over? Where's the truck? I thought the truck was coming.
I mean, do you actually have waiting lists? Are dealers been actually?
I don't know. I would imagine, but I don't know.
What makes this introduction a little bit different today is that not only do you have the executives talking about the new product, a lot of flashing lights and glitz and glamour, but you have a lot of the workers from Toledo who are here to see their new truck being introduced.
They're very excited for this reveal. I think they're very excited about it. I mean, we got a lot of volume going through Toledo, and now we've got another big announcement.
Yeah. Well, I think it's awesome. I think it's a cool car. I own Jeeps myself, and they're fun, reliable, and it's just a great vehicle.
What's this say about Jeep, about FCA, bringing folks from Toledo here for the introduction?
Well, I think they wanted to show us that we were part of it and help build and design this Jeep, and kind of let us come out and see all this happen. It was an incredible offer that they let us come out to do this, and it's just amazing.
Yeah.
To the whole crew.
It's an extreme honor. I literally started crying when this Gladiator came out. It was a lot of blood, a lot of sweat, a lot of tears. You know, it's a lot of emotions. And when you see the reaction of everyone else, just that pride level, and you're just proud. And we already make the iconic Wrangler, and it's so durability, and everybody knows Jeep, and like you said, it's a two-finger wave, and it's now we're making the truck.
Show me that two-finger wave.